Hey, my name is John Clemmer. I run the chillerguyshub.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how to add and manage new users under a company membership inside of the Chiller Guys Hub online platform so the technicians can start using the resources, training, and everything else that's inside there. It should take you about 2 minutes to do this as long as you guys have a email list put together. The first thing you need to do is get signed into your administrator account or your company account, whichever one you use to sign up for the enterprise membership. The first thing you should see when you get logged in is the general discussion page. If you don't see this, go ahead and click on the Chiller Guys icon, refresh the page, and it should take you to the general discussion. Next, you are going to want to go to your profile. And once you get to the profile, you're going to see the membership section here just under your profile picture. So go ahead and click on that. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that if you had a professional membership or something like that before, you didn't have these options. But with a company membership, you get this additional section here that says Manage Group. What you need to do is go ahead and click on Manage Group. And that's going to take you to the group management page. There's a couple different ways to get new members invited. You can invite them through a group code that they can use. They can go through the checkout process, enter that group code. It'll give them basically a free account that way. You can send them links, but the fastest way to get new users on is just to send a bulk invite. So here, if you scroll down to the invite new members via email, if you have a full email list, you can just copy and paste it into here. And then before you press send here, you just select which level. So some people want the account set up with multiple managers. Some people just want to set up with one administrator. So depending on how you guys have your account set up, there'll be a couple options here. So if you're inviting a bunch of technicians, that'll be the pro yearly. If you're inviting managers, you would click on the manager option, and that manager would go through the same process for getting the additional technicians onboarded. So once you have the correct level selected, then you just press invite new members. After you press the invite button, everyone's going to get an email. And in that email is going to be a join link. They're going to click on that link. It'll take them through the checkout process, and then they're in. Once your technicians accept their invites, they're going to create their accounts, and they're going to have access to all the private discussions, all the troubleshooting resources, all the training material, and everything is going to be available under your company membership umbrella. Obviously, the training inside is valuable, but the most valuable piece is going to be all the discussions that they participate in. So the more discussions that your team participates in, the more value they're going to get out of it, and the more relationships they're going to build. So they're going to be more effective, be able to get things done faster. If you're watching this and you don't have a company account yet, if you have a small team or you know exactly what you want, you can sign up for a company membership directly on our website. If you want to set up a meeting and talk about company memberships, you want me to run you through a demo or something like that, you can reach out to me directly on the chillerguyshub.com. You can shoot me a private message, or you can give me a call. My cell phone number is listed on the website. Thank you guys for helping us grow this. Let us know if you need anything. Have a great day.